All right, let's take a look at what's inside the box. This is the MB Star C6 diagnostic tool, designed to work with XENTRY, Mercedes-Benz's official diagnostic software. First, let's open the package. Inside the box, you'll find the MB Star C6 interface unit securely packed and well protected. This is the main diagnostic interface that connects your vehicle to the software. Next, we have the connection cables. These include the OBD diagnostic cable and the necessary data cables used to connect the C6 unit to your computer. All cables are solid, well built, and clearly labeled for easy setup. Now let's move to the computer. Once the laptop is powered on, we open XENTRY Diagnosis. This is dealer-level software used by Mercedes-Benz workshops worldwide. When XENTRY launches, you'll see several main sections. From here, you can identify the vehicle, read and clear fault codes, access control units, view live data, and perform guided diagnostic tests. XENTRY automatically guides you step by step, making the diagnostic process clear and structured. Now let's connect everything. We plug the MB Star C6 interface into the vehicle's OBD port, then connect it to the computer. Once connected, the system establishes communication with the vehicle. After the connection is confirmed, XENTRY begins scanning the vehicle systems. You can access engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, body control modules, and more. All diagnostic results are displayed clearly on the screen, just like in an official Mercedes-Benz workshop. This setup is ideal for professional technicians, workshops, and serious Mercedes-Benz enthusiasts who need accurate dealer-level diagnostics. That's the complete unboxing and basic setup of the MB Star C6 with XENTRY software. Thanks for watching.